Hi, I'm Sean, and welcome back to the Standard What's in Your Box Training Series. Today we're going to take a closer look at the inside of a fuel injector and talk about how one small component inside the injector is absolutely critical to the performance and fuel economy. A multi-point fuel injector is made up of several small precision engineered components, including the calibration pin, spring, armature, assembly valve, seat, coil, and more. All these components must be designed and manufactured to the tightest tolerances, making sure that they integrate seamlessly within the injector. And while they are all important, no individual component is more critical to the performance of the fuel injector as this, the metering disc. Located at the end of the injector nozzle and only a few millimeters wide, the metering disc is responsible for the fuel spray pattern, which is a cone-shaped mist of fuel that is required for proper fuel atomization and responsible for metering the flow rate of the fuel. Fuel spray patterns are engine specific, and it is absolutely critical that they are correct. Too wide of a pattern can result in fuel running down the cylinder walls and washing away all the oil, which can cause low compression and accelerated engine wear. On the other hand of the spectrum, a too narrow pattern can result in poor fuel atomization, which reduces performance and in some cases sends unburnt fuel through the exhaust valve. Over time, this can damage costly engine components like catalytic converters. The metering of the fuel is essential. How much fuel passes through the injector, and again, this is the responsibility of the metering disc. If the holes are slightly too large, too much fuel can flow into the cylinder, which can reduce fuel economy. And holes that are too small can cause the engine to run lean. On the metering disc, you will find a series of small holes, and every aspect about these holes matters. How many there are, their arrangement, the distance between them, their size, even the angle at which they are cut matter. These holes are measured in microns, meaning they are very small. In fact, they're about the size of human hair, and the slightest variance in size can have a big effect on the performance of the injector, and in turn, the engine. This is why Standard designs and manufactures application-specific metering discs in-house at our Greenville, South Carolina manufacturing facility. For complete quality control, we use state-of-the-art, cutting-edge laser technology to create the holes in our metering discs. This precision means engine-specific spray patterns and flow rates every time. Meanwhile, lower-cost injectors may use batch metering discs, meaning they are close to the design of the original, but have been consolidated so they can be used on multiple injectors. Additionally, they might not even use a laser in the drilling process, but instead an older, less precise process like wire EDM or stamping, which can cause variances between injectors. Some OE injector designs even have asymmetrical metering discs. In these cases, they must be indexed correctly on the injector, and that is something we do in-house before validating with end-of-the-line testing. Understanding more about metering discs not only makes it easier to recommend a quality, precision manufactured injector from Standard, but it also makes it easier to recommend injectors in sets. The holes in the metering discs are incredibly small, and over time, they can become restricted from debris and deposits. On higher mileage engines, it is unlikely that all of the injectors are performing the same. If each injector has a different flow rate, it is difficult for the ECU to know how much fuel to send back to each bank. This is why experts recommend replacing injectors in sets, especially on higher mileage vehicles. Advanced engineering, in-house manufacturing, application-specific, laser-cut metering discs, and end-of-the-line calibration and testing combined with industry-leading injector coverage. That's what's in our box. What's in yours?